All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the people of the occupied Kashmir have rendered unparalleled sacrifices for their internationally recognized right to self-determination in the past over 75 years, and they will achieve this right at all costs. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the people of Jammu and Kashmir have been waiting to exercise their right to self-determination granted to them by the United Nations through its several resolutions over 7 decades ago. Indian police arrested a Sikh woman and her husband in Jammu district. Indian police arrested the Sikh woman Paramjeet Kaur and her husband Amrit Singh during a house raid in RS Pura area of the district. The police claimed that the duo was supporters and having links with Pappalpreet Singh, the close aide of Khalistani leader Amritpal Singh. An assistant sub-inspector of the Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force died of heart attack in Kathua district. The CRPF ASI Gyan Chand was brought to government hospital in Kathua in unconscious condition, where the doctors declared him dead. Dead body of a civilian was found under mysterious circumstances in Srinagar. The dead body of Salman Irshadwani was found by locals on Saturday morning in Rambagh area of Srinagar. 3 missiles of the Indian Army misfired during an exercise in Jaisalmer district of the Indian state of Rajasthan. The firing exercise was being held at the Pokhran field firing range, where the 3 surface-to-air missiles were misfired due to a technical glitch. The 3 missiles went out of the range and hit the fields in different villages, causing loud explosions. Disqualification and conviction of former Congress President Rahul Gandhi in the defamation case related to the Modi surname has drawn massive outrage from leaders across the political spectrum in India. Rahul Gandhi was disqualified from the membership of the parliament on Friday following a court in Gujarat city convicted him a case related to the statement he's made about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The disqualification came in for strong criticism from prominent leaders of different political parties in India. Rains lashed plains while the upper areas reached fresh snowfall. Higher reaches including Gulmarg in Kashmir Valley and Pir Panjal received fresh snowfall during the time. Srinagar-Jammu highway was closed for traffic due to mudslides and shooting at several places along the road. The road was blocked at Cafeteria Mode and other areas of the Ramban district in the Jammu region.